Hey Photoshop, welcome back to the channel. If you're passionate about photo editing or work with portraits, fashion, beauty retouching in Photoshop, you are in for a treat today. I'm pretty excited because I put together an amazing pack of 15 professional photo retouching actions and I'm giving them to you completely free. These actions are designed to save you time and deliver flawless high-end results with just a few clicks. Whether you're working on skin smoothing, color grading, light effect, or overall enhancement, this pack got you covered. Now, here's the deal. The download link is in the video description below, but to keep things organized and fair, the password to unlock the file is shown within this video. So make sure you watch from start to finish to grab that password and see how to install and use the action properly. This way you will not only get access to the download but also learn exactly how to make most of each action. No spam, no misleading link, just high quality tool made for creators like you. If you find value in this pack, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more free resource and tutorial just like this one. Alright, let's jump into the breakdown and start exploring out these photo retouching action works and how you can use them in your workflow. Okay, so now once you get the actions, you're actually gonna see something like this. Inside it says retouching action, and I'm pretty sure you know how to get actions into Photoshop. It's actually quite easy. Just if you're not seeing your action, come here, go to Windows, come to actions, and this is gonna pop up. Right now it's on button mode, and you can click here, turn on button mode and turn it off. So but to get it into Photoshop, you're just gonna go to load actions, click on it, and you're gonna go to where the actions are. So new folder, this is where my actions are. So ASAS retouching action says you can just click on it and click on load. So I already have them, so I don't want to put them in. Okay, so you're gonna get all the actions anyway. So but the purpose is to get you to this action. I've used them actually to get something like this. From this, I'm gonna zoom in to, let's keep the actions to these. Okay, so it's amazing. Now okay, so now this is how to use the actions. Once you get the actions, I'm going to show you each one